Okay, this video we make a production showing for the 98 millimeter and 98 millimeter long and 20 millimeter diameter. The door production, okay. And this material is a hard one. This is a bamboo material. When the material is hard, the finishing result will be better. Okay, we can see this is bamboo. The finishing is good. And this is softwood. This is a pantry, so the finishing isn't good. So for the wood door, we need we better use the hardwood to get a good finishing. Okay. Now we will make a production. For the machine, first time working, we need to connection the power supply. Okay, for the power supply, we have 4 wires. 3 wires for the power, 1 wire is for the earth. Okay, for the 3-phase power supply, for the motor, it have the rotating direction request. So for the first time, the wire connection, we can press this one. This is start the motor, yeah. And started, we can stop it, and then we can check the rotating direction. Okay, for this motor, the rotating direction is like this way, is correct. This one is that way, is correct. If you found it's wrong, so you can just exchange any 2 wires of the 3-phase, then the motor rotating direction will be changed. Okay, and this is a vibration feeder. For the vibration feeder, is use single-phase power supply. You can have the plug, and you can plug onto the socket, and then you can turn on the power switch. Okay, this is power switch. And this is for the vibration strength adjusting knob. Here is light duty, okay, and when we rotate this knob, it will increase the vibration feeding strength, and also the speed will be changed. Okay, we can use the smaller one. We can check the moving speed is very slow. If you want to move fast, we can turn bigger this knob. So we can test whether the feeding result is okay or not. We take this. Yeah. Okay, if you want faster, you can just rotate it more quick. Everything is okay. We can turn on the motor, and select the auto version. Make it auto version. Yes, auto version. And this is a single loop, and this is continuous loop. Okay. So we need to start it again. We stop. Yeah, single and auto, and press start. We can check the result. This is a single. This is turn into continuous production. Let's try this one. Okay, and press start. Okay, we have it this way. We press stop. Yeah, and pick off this 2 from here. Yeah, turn on it, and restart the motor. Yeah, and we press auto and loop. And press start. Here is empty. So here is empty. Press start. So want to stop it, just turn it into single. Okay? When finished, we stop the power. It's okay. Yeah, stop it. And stop this one. Yeah. So during the production, we noted one thing. So when do the milling production, we found the motors, the feeding not very smoothly. So that means the cutter center isn't feed the wood center correctly. So we can just make some macro or small adjustment by the two hand wheels, okay, and move the cutters, adjust the center of the cutters. Let it feed the wood door center perfectly. Okay. This hand wheel is control the cutter leftward and rightward. Okay. Before we do this adjustment, we also need to loosen the lock screws here. The three lock screws. Loosen it firstly and rotate the hand wheel to adjust the center of the cutter leftward and rightward. Okay. After we find the correct places, we need to relock the three screws. And this hand wheel, the bottom hand wheel is to adjust the centers upward and downward. Okay. Before we do this adjustment, we also need to loosen these three lock screws and do the adjustment. After we get the correct place for the cutter center, we need to relock these three screws. Okay.